Hey Eagle Eye family, we have some exciting news to share with you today. We are excited to announce that Eagle Eye Outfitters is getting a makeover. I know it's hard to believe, but we have been in our current location for 10 years, and because of your unwavering support, we have outgrown our current space. So we are remodeling our store to make your shopping experience at Eagle Eye even better. We're expanding to provide a more cohesive shopping experience with more space, better organization, and a new look to all the departments that we know you'll love. One of the most exciting parts of our remodel is a bigger and better women's department. We are doubling the size of our women's department and adding more brands so that you ladies can find exactly what you're looking for. Our new women's department will include an outdoor athleisure area and an exclusive fashion boutique area that will give our ladies the most unique shopping experience in the Wiregrass. Another exciting part of the remodel is the creation of a dedicated accessories department that will allow our customers to have a convenient one-stop shop for their favorite drinkware, cooler, sunglass needs, as well as an expanded selection of men's and women's gift ideas. And that's not all. The remodel at Eagle Eye will feature a larger footwear department with a completely new look and an expanded men's department with new dressing rooms. Some of you will be thrilled to know that our remodel will also include a new checkout line at the register, an expanded women's bathroom on the first floor, and 2 new bathrooms on the mezzanine that will allow you to have a more convenient shopping experience. At Eagle Eye Outfitters, we are all about making your shopping experience fun, easy, and enjoyable. We can't wait for you to see the new and improved store. We want to thank you in advance for your patience and understanding as we work through these exciting changes. We promise that it will be worth the wait. Stay tuned for more updates and get ready for a brand new shopping experience at Eagle Eye Outfitters very soon.